Admission means being allowed to enter or join something. It can also mean accepting that something is true. This lesson will explain both meanings in simple English. Admission means permission to enter a place, join a group, or take part in something. It can also mean saying that something is true, especially when it is difficult to say. Admission is like permission. When someone gives admission, they allow another person to enter or join. Without admission, entry is not possible. Admission to school means being accepted as a student. When a school gives admission, it allows a student to study there. Admission to a hospital means being accepted as a patient. It happens when someone needs medical care and the hospital agrees to treat them. Admission to an event means being allowed to attend. For example, a concert or movie may require a ticket for admission. Admission can also mean accepting a fact or truth. It is not always about entering a place. Sometimes, it is about accepting something honestly. Admission of a mistake means saying that something wrong was done. It shows honesty and courage to accept the truth. Here are some simple sentences. I got admission to college. She made an admission of guilt. No admission without a ticket. Admission and permission are similar, but not the same. Permission is the act of allowing. Admission is the result of being allowed to enter or join. To use admission, think about what is being allowed or accepted. It can be used for places, events, or facts. In questions, admission can be used like this: did you get admission to the school, or is admission free? In negative sentences, it can be used like this: I did not get admission, or no admission is allowed after 10 p.m. Admission has different forms. The verb form is admit. The noun form is admission. Both are related to allowing or accepting. In school applications, admission means being accepted to study. Students fill out forms and wait for the school's decision. Admission fees are the money paid to enter a place or join something. For example, a museum may charge an admission fee. Admission and tickets are connected. A ticket often shows that admission has been granted. Without a ticket, entry may not be allowed. In hospitals, admission means registering a patient for treatment. The staff collects details and assigns a room or bed. The admission process includes applying, reviewing, and accepting. It can happen in schools, hospitals, or events. Admission often follows rules. People must meet certain conditions before they are allowed to enter or join. Admission can also show honesty. When someone admits a mistake, it is called an admission of truth. Common places for admission include schools, colleges, hospitals, museums, and events. Each has its own process. In stories, admission can show a turning point. A character may make an admission that changes the story. Practice using admission in sentences. Try saying, I got admission to the art class, or he made an admission of error. Let's have a quick quiz. What does admission mean? Is it about entering a place, accepting a fact, or both? The answer is both. Admission means being allowed to enter or join something. It also means accepting that something is true. Admission can be used in many ways. It connects to schools, hospitals, events, and honesty. Learning the word admission helps in daily life. It is used in forms, signs, and conversations. Remember, admission means both entry and acceptance. It is a useful word for many situations. Keep practicing with new sentences. The more it is used, the easier it becomes to understand. Thank you for learning about the word admission. Keep studying and improving English every day.